Here is how to reset control center on iPhone iOS 18. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can reset your control center on iPhone iOS 18. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, I already have the default control center, so I don't need to reset it. But if you actually want to reset your control center, it's pretty simple. What you have to do is just go to your settings, and once you're in settings, just go to general. And once you're in general, what you have to do is just scroll down until the end until you see transfer or reset iPhone option. Just press on it and you'll see the option of reset. Just press on reset and you'll see the option of reset all settings, reset network settings, and then all the other options. But you just have to go ahead and press on reset all settings. What this option will do, it will reset all your iPhone, and it will just reset the things and all the control center that you have, and it will basically reset every setting that you're running. And remember that it won't delete any photos, any videos, or any other personal information. It will only reset all the things that you have done or any customizations that you have made on your iPhone. So it will just do that. So in order to do that, you'll have to press on reset all settings, and then it will ask you for the passcode. Just press the passcode and it will reset for a bit, and it will restart your iPhone, and then an Apple logo will appear. After that, it's just gonna take a few seconds and it's gonna show up already resetted, and it will do the same, and your iPhone will look new and it will show you the new control center. So yeah, this is how you can reset your control center on iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.